In this video, I will show you how to set currency on Trip.com. So to get started, go ahead and open Trip.com on your device. So at the top right of your screen, you'll find your tier member. So Trip.com has this what you call tier for each type of user. So click on the current currency set for your device, and then in here, go ahead and head over to the currency tab and then select the currency that you want to set for your Trip.com account. So once you click on that, the page will reload and then you'll be able to find all of the listings in the currency that you have selected. So you can also change the language of the website if you prefer to. It's also on the same pop-up settings. So click on that again, and then you can go ahead and change the language for this page along with the currency of your preference. And that is how you can basically set currency on Trip.com.